Struggling with a slow or broken computer in Marco Island? Don't worry. Expert repair services are just a call away. Let us handle your computer woes with ease. Our team offers fast and reliable computer repair services across Marco Island, Florida. Whether it's virus removal, software troubleshooting, or hardware repairs, we've got you covered. We fix all types of computer problems, said our expert technician. The best part? We come to you. Enjoy the convenience of home and office visits. Plus, we offer transparent and affordable pricing. No hidden fees, just competitive rates. Wondering about the cost? Contact us for a free quote. From pesky viruses to hardware malfunctions, we handle a wide range of issues. Our goal is to provide quick, reliable, and hassle-free repairs. Don't waste time with DIY fixes. Get professional help today. Ready to fix your computer? Call us now for a free consultation at 239-382-7247. You can also visit fixmycomputermarcoislandfl.com to learn more about our services. Serving all of Marco Island, we aim for same-day or next-day service. Don't let computer problems slow you down. Call 239-382-7247 today and get back to smooth computing.